All right, today we're going to do a video of the Harig Easy Surf 2. It's serial number EZ1046. It's equipped with a TrueTech CNC control. We have the hydraulics on already. You have a Walker Ceramax manual magnetic chuck. I can show you, we'll turn the wheel on first. It's getting up to speed. It is variable through the VFD over here. Right now it's set to 2000 RPM. I can change it, slow it down a little. Slowing it down to 1000. The spindle is whisper quiet on this machine. Speed it back up a little bit, back up to 2000. I'm going to just jog the axes in and out. That is axis 2, or what you would call your Z axis. You can speed it up too, you can rapid. Also sounds nice and smooth. You have your Y axis, which is your up and down, or on the TrueTech control, it's axis 1 they call it. That's rapid, nice and quiet. Back up. You can also slow it down with your override on the control. You have the ability to program through the control, the table to move, or the machine is equipped with a servo valve, so there's no actual mechanical connection. It's done through a hydraulic servo valve, so you can go kind of as slow or as fast as you want. It's just how it responds. Allows you manual use, or you can do in a full automatic cycle. Machine has a coolant system. It also has a Royal filter mist system that comes with it as well. It's presently wired 220 volts. It can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.